Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all the fine and doing very well and enjoy your pretty life. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my fashion gallery, and welcome back to my YouTube videos. My dear friend, you see in this video is very amazing, very fantastic. Short, midi and mini skirt design ideas for casual wear, party wear, office wear, business worker designs and wedding outfit ideas in this type of skirts. My dear friends, how was my design and how was my videos? Tell me in the comment section. I will also try to upload all latest fashion and designs. My dear friends, I have unique content and unique videos for you guys. 100 beautiful design and 100 beautiful ideas for skirt outfit in my channel videos. By watching this video till the end. So friends, you can go in either designer shop. You can easily this type of collection. Not costly, you are affordable. My dear friends, visit my YouTube channel, check the videos, download my videos and save the screenshot your mobile phone. I have attractive skirt and uploading videos, very useful for you guys. Your comment section is very important for me guys. I have ideas how can you designs for uploading my videos. So friends, take care till the next video. See you soon on latest fashion and designs.